is up, guys? John Gray here. Want to talk to you today about paying taxes as an independent courier. So the thing that brought this on is that I've actually heard a bunch of horror stories online and through the Dave Ramsey show about how people who are not regularly taxed on their income because they're not employees just think that they don't have to pay taxes and apparently end up owing the IRS a lot of money. So I want to take a second to quickly remind you that even if taxes aren't being taken out of your check, you need to pay the IRS. They aren't the type of people that you want to owe money to. So first things first, who are the people who don't get taxes taken out of their checks? Well, usually this is anyone who is an independent contractor, and that usually includes most of your courier service delivery type jobs. So Postmates is a great example. So the first thing you need to know is that if you make over $1,000 in any given year, you need to file quarterly estimates. That's right, you can't just pay all of the taxes on that income next April. You need to start filing estimates with the IRS now. So there is a specific time frame with when you have to file these estimates so that you aren't late with the IRS. Link to that schedule is down below in the description. It also shows exactly what time periods those estimate dates are pertaining to. Now that you know where to go, how do you decide how much you should be paying in estimates? The simplest way is really just to multiply whatever your tax rate is by the amount of the checks that you got in that time period. And that's how much money you would take out and pay in the estimate. So for example, if you made $10,000 in a single quarter and your tax rate is 25%, you'd multiply 25% times the 10,000, and then you'd owe roughly $2,500 in taxes. Now, me personally, I recommend that you pay a little bit more the first time that you do this, just in case there's something else that I'm missing or that you might be missing that you're gonna owe the government. I don't know, I just like to be safe. I mean, seriously, worst case scenario, they give you the money back and tell you that you paid too much. So me personally, I am taking that advice and I'm paying roughly 30% of all of the money that I make from Postmates into a separate account so that every time one of those estimate dates comes up throughout the 2017 year, I pay that money and it's ready to go. And that's precisely what I recommend you do. If nothing else, pay something. Do not go the whole year collecting an income that isn't taxed and not pay estimates on it. It's going to be a rude awakening come April next year. But that's all I got, guys. Do not get yourself in a tax bind. Pay those estimates on time every quarter so that you have nothing owed to the IRS come next April, and enjoy the rest of your income and keep working hard.